Namaste friends. Do you run a small or medium business? Are you trying to increase your sales? Do you want to improve your profit margin? Let me tell you today how Biziverse can help your business scale new heights. Biziverse offers several easy and effective software tools to help you run a smart business. These are offered at a very low price because our mission is to help every small business in India become a smart business by using software to increase sales, delight customers, and improve profit margins. Today, Biziverse serves more than 15,000 MSMEs located in every state of India, from Kashmir to Kerala and Maharashtra to Mizoram. These businesses include manufacturers, traders, retailers, consultants, and service providers. Some are small shops, while some are large publicly listed corporations. They use different modules of Biziverse to smartify different aspects of their business, from marketing and sales to manufacturing and inventory to accounting and more. Let's take a look at how these tools can help your business become a smart business. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, covers every aspect of your interactions with your current and future customers. Many businesses get inquiries from platforms like IndiaMart, Just Dial, Trade India, or nowadays Meta, that is Facebook and Instagram. You can import your leads from these B2B platforms directly into Biziverse. You can assign these leads to different sales executives and monitor to ensure that every lead is contacted and qualified. You can track the progress of qualified leads through multiple stages and see a history of interactions with your team. You can even ask your executives to mark a GPS stamp in case of site visits for your verification. Sales process sometimes requires multiple rounds of quotations and negotiations. You can create quotations quickly and share them using WhatsApp or email. You can even follow up with your customers to get their response. Once you finalize the deal, your responsibility is to deliver the order in time. Biziverse helps you monitor every order as a commitment to analyze and minimize delays. In today's world, customers do not always select a supplier just based on low prices. When you give status updates to customers for their orders and request feedback on completion, they develop an impression that your business is technology-driven and systems-driven and therefore reliable. This way, you get more repeat business from more loyal customers who might also recommend your business to others because of this wonderful overall purchase experience. Just like in orders, timely action is also required in customer support. You can ensure that every customer complaint or service request is handled by using the support ticketing module of Biziverse. Here also, you can take feedback on completion to not only create a good impression on your customer, but also to monitor the quality of work of your team. Billing is the need of every business, and Biziverse will make it quick and easy. You can generate GST invoices and e-invoices, and the system can automatically update your accounts by entering the voucher. You can even create export invoices in foreign currency. B2C retailers can scan barcodes to generate POS invoices quickly. A very important activity, especially in B2B, is payment collection or recovery from customers. Very often, it is embarrassing to make calls to follow up for payments. Biziverse makes it not only easy, but even impressive and effective. You can monitor bill-wise receivables from every customer and send polite reminders. Your customers can respond with a time commitment or scan your QR code or use your Razorpay payment gateway to pay instantly. Accounts give you the pulse of your business, but very often due to old and boring desktop softwares, business owners become dependent on accountants to get useful data. Biziverse makes it easy and enjoyable for CEOs to monitor accounts. You can monitor key ledgers from your mobile and even quickly access your updated balance sheet or P&L anytime and from anywhere. GST compliance is also simplified as Biziverse generates uploadable files for GSTR1 and GSTR3B using your sales and purchase entries as well as debit and credit notes. Manufacturers, traders, and retailers must ensure that they have sufficient stock of key products and raw materials in their inventory. In case of low stock, you can easily generate purchase orders for your suppliers. Biziverse enables you to monitor stock at multiple stores and track transaction history of every item, covering purchase inward, dispatch outward, internal transfers, or production. In case of production, you can monitor consumption of raw materials against its bill of materials. You can track the work in process at each production stage and get reports for consumption and rejection analysis. By using these easy modules to monitor inventory and manufacturing, you can reduce costs and improve your profit margin because every rupee saved is a rupee earned. Finally, Biziverse also helps you manage your team and your time using our easy task module. You can track your own to-dos in the inbox and monitor the status of what you have delegated to your team in your outbox. You can easily remind them or transfer tasks as needed. Smart management will make work simple and give you peace of mind. As you can see, Biziverse aims to cover almost every aspect of your business so that you can run a smart business with ease. We have made these features fun to use so that your team will enjoy using it and keeping it updated. If someone new joins your team, don't worry. We offer free live training every weekday so that they can learn straight from us. We know that you might also need our help sometimes when you use Biziverse. For this, we have made our support team available all 7 days of the week, including Sundays, to respond to your needs. Just click Need Help and ask your question so that the right person can call you back. We are very proud that even with more than 15,000 businesses and their users on Biziverse, our customers find our support team quick and responsive. To ensure and maintain the best service for you, we request feedback on every ticket handled, which our top management closely monitors because we count on you to proudly tell others about your Biziverse experience. Helping your business succeed is our passion and priority. Our team is led by founders with global experience from a business group with more than 35 years of reputation in industrial electronics and digital transformation through ERP software and e-governance. Biziverse is a startup recognized by the Government of India and is funded by reputed investors from India, Australia, UAE, UK, and the US. We want every Indian business, large or small, to become a smart business by giving them powerful software at an easy low price with high quality support. I hope you will choose Biziverse to expand your business universe and join us in our mission of smart business, strong India. Thank you and Jai Hind.